We're here with Gene Franzt, CTO of Octavo Systems. Gene, give us a little bit of the background on Octavo Systems.
We're all XTI employees, basically, and what we found happening in the industry was as integration went forward, we all depended upon Moore's Law to do the innovation. And what we found as a company was Moore's Law was as much driving the industry apart as it was making it better. And that is the signal processing, or the processor side, went down one process node, the memory went down another process node or path, the power management went somewhere else. And so you ended up with multiple different processes all being driven by Moore's Law, but all incompatible with each other. So if you really needed to do a system, you found yourself having to figure out how to do an SoC with one or more of the parts of it compromised, or all of it compromised. And what we realized is the easy solution is to take the best of all of those and put them into a system in package. So that's one aspect. The second aspect is this understanding that as I put more transistors into a system, or more components into a system, the quantity per system gets smaller and smaller. And so you're in that situation where I need to go to a system in package to integrate everything, but at the same time, the amount of volume I manufacture for each one of those components goes down. Neither one of those are very friendly to the semiconductor process. And so what we're doing is putting together first the ability to integrate into a package the hardest part of a system, the tedious part, the processor, the memory, and the power management. And that gives that system designer a lot of relief from the difficulty of integrating those parts, finding out they didn't do it right, integrating them or designing them again. And so that was one aspect of it that we gave them. Then we began to look further down the road of how can we handle the lower volume per opportunity, and that's one of the things we're working with right now with the assembly and test houses.
I think you've got quite an exciting announcement at the show this week with ST Micro. Could you just outline that for us?
Yes, we started out with Texas Instruments as our vendor of choice because we're all XTIers, and had personal relationships, and so we were more than capable of working with them, putting together a good system. And 6 months or so ago, ST got in contact with us and asked us if we'd be willing to do with them what we did with TI. And of course, yes. And so we began to go down this path to integrate their system very similar to the way we integrated the TI system.
Okay, brilliant, lovely.